If you only have $50 to spend this 4th of July, I think this Dominators Revenge might be the way to go. Got this from Pyroland online. Went to go pick it up, and it's got quite a bit of variety in here. Let's open it up and take a look. So all I've done is take off the plastic, and you can see right here you get a 7-shot 200-gram cake. Nice little, that's pretty much the finale of the assortment, I guess you could say. Other than that, you also get a no, the shot count on this one, but you also get another 7. You get 2 200-gram cakes. After that, you're gonna get a variety of fountains. These are like sometimes they can go for like $5 a pack. I like that this is like this is it. This is all you get. This is the only confetti in the entire assortment. And then you get a mega smoke. A smoke tube. Not a lot of assortments have tubes. They usually just have the balls. And speaking of balls, we got the crackle balls right here. Small ones and the jumbo ones. And then you can't not have this on 4th of July. Everybody needs a tank. At least one. And then I know some of you are going to be happy that it includes this firecracker strip. So you get all this for $50. I thought that was pretty cool. Assortments are kind of through the roof in 2025. But if you're anything like me, assortments are kind of like a staple. They're like a necessity. You can't not have one. I got mine online, but I'm pretty sure they have it in store for pickup too. Yeah, let's light this off. So look for the fuse at the bottom by the barcode. Rip the package open. And these are the Thunderbomb crackers. Nice. Now we're gonna do these at the same time. This is the Cobra's Den and the White Smoke. Nice. Both about lasting the same time. Yep. Nice. What a mess. These are absolutely insane. Up first is going to be the Junior Cuckoo. Next is the Golden Flower. Starlight. Strobe Shower Medium. Large. I don't even know how to say this. No, it is not the Twitter glitter that you're thinking of. Bolt and Blue. Bamboo. These color pearls love to fall apart, so make sure you secure yours. I'm going to put mine in a cinder block, and you can use a barbecue lighter, but I'm going to use a punk. Well, that was terrible footage on that last one, but same thing for this one. You're going to want to secure it somehow, and the fuse is going to be under the sticker. This is the last of the bunch, and this is honestly going to surprise you. It's a hybrid. thought I forgot about those crackle balls.